Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be playing more Mega Man StarForce Pegasus. Now, last time I learned some more about this game and how to fight. So, as I said last time, we were going to fight the first time. For the first time, this is actually our first boss. Looks like I got some mail. Now I've got some mail from a Pegasus. Now we have to go. What do we have to do? Come on, let's go talk to some humans already. Okay, so we gotta talk to all of them. There's someone I want to form a brother band with. I never get the chance to tell him. What a dilemma. Is it me? Is it me? Okay, maybe it's him. Oh, sometimes some big fell from the skull of that Professor Point. What was it, I wonder? Probably the giant thing that possessed me. My mom does use the teacher man card. Math teacher man's really lessons are really hard. They're totally yucky. What does that mean? Do you mean they're just gross to taste? Why do you taste them then? It's a bit weird, don't you think? I've never seen you at school. Are you in a higher grade than me, or maybe you're just from another school? No, I just don't go to school. I'm lucky. Let's see what you got. Condo. Oh, that's Luna's condo. Whatever. There are signals that we can't see. You can't see them, but they're strange things. There are even roads made out of them. Or so the TV tells me. Ah! I get to enter inside transfers. Okay. No, I don't want that. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna go for... Where am I gonna end up? Newman Joe Star on the air! Whoosh. Boom, 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 boom. Outside transfer. Welcome to the transfer booth. Huge question, this one guy. What can I do to get him to notice me? I have no idea. Oh, so I've got to go in all of them now? Welcome to my transfer, bro. Evil spirits be gone. His guardian spirit is a bull. I know it. It feels like it's charging right at me this moment. Evil spirits be gone. Oh, so I get the battle. Yes. Ooh, what's this? Okay, we need some health back. No, I'm not playing. RC helicopters, especially they're a perfect match for Propeller Man. Yeah, they kind of are. I think I know who Propeller Man is. I think I know who you're talking about. I super card collection to everyone. It's good to know, man. How many zinnies do I have? I have 70 zinnies. Right now I'm Pegasus. Oh no, it's that cannon guy again. Alright, let's go with the plasma gun this time. Actually, no. You know what? We're gonna go with some of these. Yeah, longsword. They can't attack me. Actually, yes, they can. That was good. 170. That means I have 240 now. And I have 40 health right now. I need something good. Mystery Wave. 100 zennies. That's pretty good. I want something better though. Ooh, I got 2 cannons. I got a cannon from that. Take a look at these goods. I don't have enough. I'm not good at this. No, please out of here. Get out of here. Bird watching now, that's what I like. It's odd. What happened? I know which one it is. The car. It's the car that's going on. E-wave. You! Oh crap. What are these things? What are those? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a jammer guy. Okay, we're gonna need to just recover 10, aren't we? Feel like we are. Is he alright? I didn't kill him, did I? I want to lose out, thank you. Yeah, I want to lose out. What do you know? Let's go back home for now. Oh, this is the punch scene. It's evening already. I wonder if Mom's home yet. Wait, you! Oh no, it's you again. Crap. You didn't come again today. Just how long do you plan on skipping school? Not again. Bed! Hey, we're trying to ask you how you doing. At least you can do is answer. Pain, but I'll teach him. You're not going to do anything with him. You're going to stop me, kid? Oh my god, do you realize how much of a mess it would be if you show yourself? No, like you can hear it anyway. So stop it. We don't have to take this tour of France. Hey, don't you jerk my arm around. You could show my awesome mega uppercut. My arm. What are you mumbling about now? Look, jerk, just be good and come to school. For your own good anyway. Whoa! We just punched him! Ugh. Little creep. Bud! I hit him. I'm sorry, please just stay away from me. You think I overdid it just to smurge? Yeah, I think you overdid it, Mega. Definitely overdid it. Yeah, you overdid it a bit too much, Mega. You gotta learn a lot. You got to learn a lot. You got a lot to learn, but now get some sleep. Okay. Yep, I'm definitely, yeah, save my progress. Thanks. Save complete. Later that night. Evening 3 days later. And now the news. The Echo Ridge mailbox was destroyed in the wee hours of the morning today. Recently, been rash of incidents from bright red bicycles to red rose petals. The warehouse is wet. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Motorcycles to warehouses where bricks of flower beds are being stored and being destroyed all across town. Shadow police are looking into whether this latest incident is related to the others. Rash of incidents. Hey Mega, you don't think those guys were after you or behind this, do you? I doubt it. These incidents. Interesting. Bicycles, warehouses, where are the box? It's got nothing to do with me. Well, I'm gonna go invest the point. Looks like I got the mail. I never checked my mail yet. Oh, it's nighttime. Ah! Gio, what's wrong? I sense something very bad's about to happen. Is it just in my imagination, right? Yeah. Let's just get going for now. I'm a bit creeped about this game. It's Emery Road. Nobody's out. Except for this old man. I want to go talk to him, see what he's saying. Much late tonight. No, he's an old man. He needs to calm down a bit on the eating. Things have been getting broken one thing after another. The only thing connecting these incidents is the color red. Actually, your shirt is red too. You should probably be careful. Really careful. Yeah, probably. Yep, I sense something very bad's about to happen. Oh no, even I can sense it. Okay, let's just go home. That girl sure is annoying. Not my type one bit. Let's go home and get some rest. I sense something very bad's about to happen. Is this my boss battle? I think it is. Well, what's going on here? What? Is it called? Huh? Well, we meet again. That voice. Oh no, it's you again. Please, stop. So what do you think? Nice truck, right? I'll give you a ride in it if you want. I'm okay, really. Anyway. I'm really sorry about what happened. Well, see ya. That guy has some nerve turning down one of my invitations like that. He's going to be in trouble with a capital T. Just you wait, I'm gonna find that way to get that kid to school somehow. First, it's time to go. Alright. What's wrong, bud? Isn't it the perfect chance to get your revenge? You can't get back that brat that hang out with you. Try and show your new powers to the press. Show her my powers. So that's it. Come on, bud. Get in here and drive. Yes, let your feelings take control. Oh, crap. Okay. Ah! Oh, crap! No. A monster! Oh, it's driving itself. It's gone. Oh no. What? Are you using the driving card sack? I don't have it, but it does. Oh crap! That means it's driving himself. Huh? Ah! What the? This is going way too far. Can you hear me? Mega. Okay, we've got it. We've got a fuse now. We've got to get that car comp. See what we can do. Now what? We've got to going way too fast. Now, kid. I can't jump onto something going that fast. We have no choice. We have to stop with brute force. One short shot to do the. Wait, whoa. You can't do that. You'll hurt the other guys too. Then what do you suggest? Leave them be and let them cause an accident and get hurt that way? Accident. I get it. If we get blocked the road somehow, we could stop the truck. Don't look at me. Am I right or am I right? No, you're wrong, actually. You're a bit wrong. I don't know if you're wrong or right. I didn't know what he said. So let's just go ahead and figure out what we can. I got it now. Okay, crap. I'm in the middle of a battle. I don't have time to think, so I'm just gonna. Ooh. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, right timing. I need some zinnies as well. I need to level myself up. 400 zinnies. That means I should have enough for that one item, right? I think I should. Nope, wait. Hold on, let's attack plus 10. See what we can do. What an epic stealth. What an epic stealth fighting game. Oh no, I lost 20. Whoops. $800 minis. Oh, that means I have 2,000. That means I can upgrade myself. A bit. Yes! Did it without getting hurt. Ooh, firing. Power bomb. Ooh, that jet attack though. How can I switch my cards? Other card. Edit. Ooh, new brother cards. Ooh, Yes, I can stop it. With this. This might be hard. Because I'm using an emulator. My viruses are doing something. They're moving. Whoa. Holy crap, look at that guy. What if I wait until they both come? They can just get both. Yes! Guys, that was epic style type fighting. Now we should be able to move it. The car. Got it, we're moving. Now the brakes. Not bad, kid. Hey, why is the car stopping in place like that? Mission accomplished. I want to lose out of here so I can go to the truck comp. Dare. Ooh, this is a boss battle. I like this. Oh no. Be careful and let's get going. The trunk comp. Oh no. Beep beep beep. There's a panel that can stop the driving. Supposed to be them in the back and you can't ring those blow programs. They're usually pretty common, but they're going wild because of the system glitch. Okay, what balance button? Get yourself right. We need to collect everything in here. 400 minis. Oh, fighting! Yes! We're fighting! Oh, I can use the power bomb. I'm gonna use a barrier. Get a power bomb on one of these guys. Woo! I'm gonna attack it with its own kind. Yeah! 700 zennies. Yeah! Red key. Ooh! The bulls are calm now. That means I can go. Go calmly now. Any of these miss. Ooh! Never mind, it won't miss. present your blue key. Here's the red key. Med key. And I'm gonna have to do this. Ah, crap! No! And I lost 15 health. Are you okay? Oh, I guess I'm okay. I'm good then. Let's get going. Let's get moving. Be careful. Dangling one. We've never seen that one before. Oh wait, yes I have. Okay. I'm sorry if this video is quite long. Sorry guys, but it's just that I really want to finish this so I can move on to the next part of the story, which is Dragon. Reasons why I'm playing Dragon as well is because, well, there's a different side of the story and you'll get different abilities. So I'm gonna play all 3 games before I finish and move on to the next one. Before I go on to Zeker X Ninja, I was gonna do... Stop hitting me. It's not nice. Hitting isn't nice. Not very friendly. We're gonna need some health after this. I like how it says, like, enemy deleted. Instead of enemy defeated, it says enemy deleted. I like how it says that. I'm sorry if this video is quite long. I really like this game, and it's just really fun. And I really want to finish this so I can move on to the Dragon game. Firing one. Nice. Oh, I want to use this one first. Yeah. You present your blue key. Is that what it's gonna say? Blue key. Blue key. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Okay, nothing over here. Frick me, stupid trolls. Oh, if we had to fight when we were on these, I wouldn't be too happy. Nah, I meant to do things. Crap! No! Whoa! Oh, it took away 20 of my health. That's great. Guess I'm okay. 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 We gotta pay attention. Ah, not again! No! It took away 20 of my health again. These might take a while, guys. Good then, let's get going. I'm not okay. No, don't do it again. No, no, I wasn't ready. No, I'm not doing it again. No, crap! No, don't. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Again? I guess I'm okay. Good then. Let's get going. Not again! Crap! No! This might take a while. Come on, guys. I'm fine. Okay, last chance, guys. Hopefully. No, no, no! Crap! Oh, I'm at 1%. Does it not take away all my health? I'm fine now. Wait a minute! Crap! Oh, it only hurt me. It didn't actually take away my health. This is going to be hard for me. No! I made so many times again! Guys, this is a bit stupid. I am not going to live now, am I? Stop! No, no, no! Crap! Crap! No! No! Oh, Sonny. Stop. I guess I'm okay. I keep falling off! Guys, it's gonna be hard for me. Oh, pay attention. Crap! Crap! I wasn't paying attention! I wasn't paying attention! That's not fair! This is going to be hard for me, won't it? You guys know I can do it though. Because I'm a prankster gangster. You guys know I can do it. Yeah, way too many times, guys. This is getting a bit long, so I'm gonna end this video off here. We'll try to do it next time. We're actually gonna lose out this next time because this is going to be a long video. I'm gonna lose out. Yeah, I'm gonna save. And then, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can beat the next one.